was the other one?
Ristihaantie one.
Yeah, Ristihaantie one. På Koivuhovivägen. Want to take a stay here in Koivuhovi? No, Koivuhovi Björkgård here in Espoo close to Kauniainen, Grankula here in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, modernized Finland. I think these ones are the best ones we filmed today because they are from 2005 but still almost 1,000 pictures.
Yeah.
Otis Gen 2, almost 1,000. I think the best is 8 birches for 630 grams with 5 floors. Built in 2005, the beginning of 2005, and the number is B13809. This has 2 rides, of course.
Yeah.
We'll be expecting in 2024. Still as beautiful as 2000 style from the beginning of 2005. Just like it should be. But this sticker here should have been also in Swedish, because we are close to Grankula.
Yeah. Is this device maintained by Kone?
And they didn't install a door close button here.
Yeah.
They could have done it. This will be 20 years old in 2025. That was fun. No chime.
That's